Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis last week several times, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. An update maybe not isn't, probably not the best choice of words, but more so confirmation would probably be an accurate term, because really nothing has occurred from the levels I talked about, meaning the price is still, chipping away. So no, it did occur in the sense of, well, yeah, the price, had a nice green day. The price worked its way upwards. But as far as these annotations are concerned, nothing has changed. But the one thing that I think a lot of people are going to be that much more interested in is indeed this red line up here, this resistance that I've talked about in plenty of past videos, because after today's price movement, it's just that much more of an attractive setup where you have, the very firm area up here as resistance, but now you have lows right there, and then you have that low right there. So if you picture these as little stair steps and even lows right there, so you picture these as stair steps, then in the very near term, there's some nice little stair steps being constructed in the upwards direction. So you know that there's going to be a lot of eyeballs watching this 32.25 mark, which I've talked about in the past. And when a lot of eyeballs are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, it's not a guarantee because those don't exist. But my core point here is that if the price can work its way up to that level and then get a break up through it, it's not irrational at all to think that that break could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure, just because, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. There would just be a lot of people watching that area, and if that could occur, they're just going to buy, myself included. Now, I don't know if I will for sure buy, but I will for sure be watching 32.25, and depending on the setup and other dynamics, when the price gets up there, that is certainly a very attractive and interesting area. And that's not a great discovery on my part, okay? So I'm not trying to come across like this is some sort of special discovery. No, I assure you a lot of people have noticed the exact same thing, which makes this setup that much more powerful. But at the end of the day, as far as the big picture is concerned, as long as the price just keeps on chipping away and building these higher bases, which it's been doing. So if you envision these as stair steps, so as long as the stair steps continue to be built in the upwards direction, then everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.